proud that we are inaugurating today our first and very, very advanced plant here in India. We want to move from a product-driven organization to a solution-driven organization that really understands the farmer.
Now ICL is going to have its own plant that will be able to produce water-soluble NPKs from India to India.
In this plant, we are going to produce 30,000 metric tons of water-soluble fertilizers annually.
Today, while the first truck left the plant, I promise you all that it will be only the beginning.